You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing French vocabulary that many struggle with and get confused by. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Faim. Faim is how it is said in French, meaning hunger. Hunger. Faim is how you say hunger in French. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more French vocabulary. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and if you want to learn more French. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.